Alright, so you're here watching this video because you've been injured in an accident, you've been dealing with your insurance company on your own, and they're offering you money. Now, if you thought everything was okay and there were no red flags, you haven't found this video, you wouldn't be watching it. You're here because something didn't quite seem right about what they offered you. I'm Jobeth Bowers. I'm an injury attorney here in Maryland, primarily practicing in Elkton, Maryland. I handle cases throughout the state, but my office is in Elkton. I wanted to address that issue of what happens when the insurance company offers you money, and a couple things that might make you seem like this isn't quite right. Number one, you might still be treating for your injuries, and they're offering you money to settle. I have had clients tell me about times in which certain insurance companies have gone out to evaluate their vehicle days after the accident. Said to them, okay, your vehicle's worth, $800 to get it repaired. Take this to the body shop, go get it repaired. By the way, did you get hurt? Did you go to the hospital? Oh, okay, let me write you another check for like $400, and hands them a check for that, trying to completely resolve the claim for $400 or $500. I have had, in offices that I've worked for, clients come to us with those handwritten checks for $700 on cases that we have ultimately resolved for over $20,000. The insurance company is in a business to keep their money. They are not on your side. They may seem helpful, they may seem nice, but guys like me are the guys that get paid to get you what your case is worth. When they pay you less money, they make more. When we make them pay you more money, we make more. So who would you trust in that scenario? But more importantly, not just about the money, about the fact that they're offering you money before you finish treating. I have a client in my office right now, won't go too far into the details for privacy reasons, but an offer to settle the case before they were finished treating was made to them. If they had accepted that offer, because of the outstanding medical bills, liens from their health insurance company that had to be paid back from that settlement, they would have taken that check and still owed people money. It's not the way it's supposed to go. So first and foremost, don't settle any accident case until you're completely finished treating and you know that, okay, I'm good. A couple weeks have gone by and none of the issues have flared up or anything like that. Okay, perfect. Also, it's definitely in your best interest to consult an attorney. A lot of times you might think you're getting a decent amount of money, but you don't really know what the case is worth. And to the insurance company, you pose absolutely no threat of litigation. So they know you're not filing a lawsuit. You don't do it every day. You have, and I mean no disrespect when I say this, but you have no clue what these cases are worth. When you're in court all the time, when you're handling these cases all the time, you know what they're worth. I know what they're worth, and I know what insurance companies play games and which insurance companies are fair when negotiating with somebody like me. So if you've been injured in an accident, call me before you even talk to the insurance company. But if you're watching this, you've probably already been contacted by them and are working with them, and they've made you an offer. If something just doesn't seem quite right about it, give me a call. If it looks like a situation where, hey, they're making you a great offer, make sure you do this, this, and that, I'm going to tell you to do that. I'm not going to come and take a fee for doing something like that, but I can promise you that's rarely the case. If you have any questions or if you've been injured in an accident, 410-885-6200. Give me a call. I'm happy to talk to you right here in my office or over the phone. No charge for the consultation. I'm only going to take a fee if I get you paid. This is Jobeth Bowers.